I've got this Cyberbag from Divoom that I'm gonna unbox. I got my buddy Ferdy, he's on my scissors. We've got my robot here. Astro, hi. We're gonna open this, and Ferdy's already gone to sleep, so we'll get the tape here. Some people use like razors to open. I prefer to use these not so sharp scissors because I have my cats around, and just in case they were to jump around, the safest. It was relatively easy to open. Okay, here we go. Oh, now he's woken up. He hears the plastic. He loves plastic. That's all there's in that box. It says, explore the world with pixel art. We'll open her up. Open up the bag. At the bottom it does say, I didn't see that, Divoom. A nice bag, actually. Bag in a bag. Okay. So there's where the pixel art will be on this part of the backpack where it says Divoom. I think this is a plastic, right? Oh, it does say that. Oh, it doesn't. It's peeling off. This does come off. I probably pulled the tab thing too quickly. So there we go. That looks much better. So now let's see. There's a tag on it. Let's see what the tag shows. It's got tiny print, product certification card. Set up, connect the Divoom Cyberbag with a power bank. Download the Divoom app from the app stores. Pair with the Cyberbag. Wipe the surface with a soft cloth. Do not machine wash. For more information, refer to the manual. Don't put it in the wash machine. So here's a pocket here with a zipper. There's the straps. They look comfortable. Here's a pocket here. No zipper for this pocket. There's another pocket with a zipper. This has got a mesh one. Here's looks like to be the manual, which I'll show in a second. Another pocket. Another zippered pocket here. The cord to charge is here. It's a USB. Okay. That's the gist of it. Looks like a pretty cool backpack. And there's a tag here. Materials. Please avoid exposure under high temperature. Corrosive material, avoid. Only clean with the dampened fabric. And then there's like a QR code, scan, download app. So that's gonna be the app. I've got some buttons here, I guess, to expand it. There's the main zipper. Ferdy wants the plastic. There's plastic on them to protect them when they were. I'll take that off just a second. Ferdy, don't be eating the plastic. What are you doing? Ferdy, Ferdy. I gotta hide it from him. He loves his plastic. There we go. All right, get the other zipper up. I'm gonna chew on the bag now. My dog, cat dog, ain't nothing but a little cat dog. You can hang it up by the hook. It's got a Divoom on the bag. Here's what it looks like. And then, so there we go. Oh, I didn't even notice that before. We got another one where you can put stuff there, like your wallet and stuff to protect it, because it'd be up against your back. I like the strips here. That looks good. Yeah, these look very comfortable. We got here Divoom Cyberbag, divoom.com. Very nice, folks. DIY pixel art display, fashion wardrobe must-have, massive online pixel art gallery for various mini daily tools. Meet Divoom Cyberbag, your pixel art smart Divoom Cyberbag. How to begin. Search Divoom. I already have the app myself. On the App Store or Google Play. Connect Divoom Cyberbag with a power bank. Connect Cyberbag in the Divoom app. You're set. Let's draw some pixel art. It's only water resistant. Do not put it in the washing machine. Use a damp fabric to wipe its surface instead. Please take care of the LED panel. Excessive force may damage it. We recommend using a USB power bank. 5-volt 2A output limitation. The range is 14 to 113 degrees is the operating range. So you don't want it, and that's -10 to 45 Celsius. Divoom, spark your life. Started in 2006, Divoom now employs over 40 hardware and software engineers, as well as owning 100 innovations and patents. When the company was formed, our goal was to establish Divoom into the international market with innovative technology, superior product quality, and refined sound quality. Divoom products are now available in over 50 countries. I got the Divoom app on my other phone here. It's got my times gate. I had to wipe this because I had it the other way and it already had gotten a bunch of fur on it. I think you add stuff, add device here. So let me add a power bank just a second. We got the cord here. Look at that. That's so cool. Look at that. My lights are showing on it, but my goodness, let me put it over here. That's gonna look so cool walking around. I go on trips about twice a year. So, I don't know in here where I add it. Just a second, let me figure it out. I think it's gonna be a Bluetooth device because Wi-Fi, I think, is just the times gate. And so Cyberbag, Bluetooth connected. So yeah, when I was on Wi-Fi, that was what the issue was. So if I go here, oh, I need to update. Gotta update my bag. Alysta, you're over here. Oh, you don't want to stay. Okay. I'll pay attention to you in a minute. And there's Ferdy up there. So yeah, we'll get this updated. Pretty cool stuff. It's a really big picture. Like it's a pretty decent size here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry way after Christmas. So I'll pause it while this is updating because there's no point in just sitting here waiting. It was fully updated from here. And so I decided, instead of using the cloud channel, I'd rather have custom. So I added some custom ones. And you just do them through here, right? Just make choices within, and they've got a whole bunch of categories, you know, characters, festivals, you can do searches, all sorts of stuff. So these are the ones I picked. I started it out where it's like a, you know, the old time TV and starting, and then I did some Valentine's ones, cat and like a robot type thing or alien, a little yellow ducky, another alien, beach, city, sunflower for Jeebs, another heart for Valentine's, and then some kitties. I should end it with penguin. Let me see if I can find a penguin one. Penguin. Search. Ooh, we got some penguin ones. Penguin crying. I don't want a crying penguin. Okay, so those are all of them. Let's see here. Swimming penguin. That one's falling. I think I like that one. So there we go. There's a whole bunch you can do, obviously, and then after I do that, then I'll go look at the bag and see. I put it up over here for now. Look at that. So beautiful. I don't know if I'll keep it up here a while or not. It's really beautiful. I actually love this. I love pixel art. This is so cool. Wonder why it went to show the clock. Maybe it periodically does that. I'll go through the whole series. Cat in the box. Okay, there we go. Happy, happy. I love this. Divoom Cyberbag. Beautiful bag.